All right, so now let's take a look at what specific heat capacity means and let's write it down. Specific heat capacity is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram, or it could be measured in 1 gram, to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so let's look at it. Okay, so right now we've got ethanol. Ethanol has a specific heat capacity equal to 2.44 kilojoules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Now let's say I have a container of ethanol. This is my ethanol. And I have 1 kilogram of ethanol at 5 degrees Celsius. Now, if I put in 2.44 kilojoules of energy into that, it will now go up to 6 degrees Celsius. If I put another 2.44 kilojoules of energy into that, it will go up to 7 degrees Celsius. So every time I put 2.44 kilojoules of energy into this 1 kilogram, it will go up a degree Celsius. All right, so let's look at this example. 903 joules of energy must be added to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of aluminum by 1 degree Celsius. Therefore, the specific heat capacity of aluminum is 903 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Now, we would normally write that as 0.903 kilojoules per kilogram degrees Celsius. And that's what it's rounded to on our chart. If we look at our chart here, we can see we've got aluminum, and it is 0.90. Water has a specific heat capacity of 4.2 times 10 to the power of 3 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius, which means that it takes 4.2 times 10 to the 3 joules of energy to raise the temperature of water, 1 kilogram of water, by 1 degree Celsius. Or we could say that this is